New year, new shoes. I've seen a lot of stuff on TikTok about the no buy January thing, but to be honest, like I never stick to that, so I think we should actively be like buying stuff in January. So I have a new pair of shoes here that we're gonna box together. They are by the brand Jil Sander. I love the logo of the Jil Sander. I think it's like so minimalist and chic. These are sneakers that I've been wanting for a while, and I finally saw them for a really good price. So it is these platform lace-up sneakers. I've seen all the cool girlies wear these like on TikTok and social media, so I just had to hop on them. And you guys know that I love a platform shoe. Let's try them on and see what they look like on. Okay, I have them on, but I'm not sure I would wear them with a sweater, but the pants that I'm wearing I think go so well with them. Like, such a vibe. I'm obsessed. I truly think this is gonna be one of the best purchases I make all year.